One. This video is for Internet Education 101 YouTube channel. I know I said I was going to upload videos over the past few months. People have actually reached out. Aren't you going to upload more videos? Which I was shocked. I caught up today with a lot of emails, messages, and I'm sorry. You only could do so much in such little time. I wouldn't change the course I'm going down at all, because the purpose every day of waking up to have such a purpose and be eager to go do what you love to do, not just the online world, being a shopper out in the field, doing the gig jobs, it's incredible. It's so much fun. But I'm here to give you an update, a quick update, the short version, so you can see that I'm still with it. And I didn't go anywhere. And I have just a couple of fun things to share with you. I think you're going to love it. And I can't believe how fast the site has evolved. And I added a QR code, as you can see on the right-hand side, my right-hand side, of appreciation. Buy me a coffee, the QR code. It's great. It's their donation buttons. And I'm just moving along. I've been writing content. I'll show you my latest post before I move forward. I've been doing a lot, and I changed both websites into blogs. Instead of a website feel, I still create pages you see on the sidebar. I still create website pages, but I'm also blogging at the same time, and I'm writing good content is time consuming, and the research and building each page for them to get noticed by the search engines organically takes a lot of practice, a lot of hard work, a lot of understanding. It's not as easy as people think it is. No, if it was, everyone would be doing it, like the saying goes, right? So, first I'll show you this. I'm going to click on Read More, my latest blog post. I started writing the content yesterday. I finished it today. Of course, I have an ad on top. You see my tags, categories. And the topic, here's the header: earn money delivering food orders through Dlivrd. D-L-I-V-R-D. It's the latest app I've joined, and I've been delivering small catering orders. And I wrote some content about it. I gave a review. Delivered Food Delivery Gig Review. That's the title of the blog. And I created a banner, an image, promoting my YouTube playlist speaking about Dlivrd. And of course, it has alternative tags. You need to do that so search engines know that you have to do that, because people who are handicapped, when they use their special devices, they need to know what that banner stands for. So you have to add alternative tags in addition to the search engine robots scanning your blog website code. I have some more content here. I have a link to the playlist here and here. I made them clickable. Even this little image has an alternative tag, Dlivrd. That's their icon, their signature app. I have some information here, some hashtags. I have my latest video speaking about Dlivrd, because I feel it's the best one. It shares a lot of information, and it's a really good video sharing how to use the Dlivrd app and how it works, and share some of my experience out in the field as a Dlivrd delivery person. I also have an inbound link to one of these web pages here. I have another ad. All this matters. This takes time. I also added a QR code. It's a donation button. I'm so excited about this. You can do it too. This website is just exploding. It just keeps evolving into better and better. Now they have a gallery to use for banners to add to your websites. I put appreciation, buy me a coffee. I added that today. And when you click it, it brings you to here. And this is how I'm going to leave it for now. A little intro. I added some links people might want to click to my, website, blog, YouTube, channel, some affiliate links. And over here, people can choose how much they want to donate. You see over here changes, support 15, you do it 5 times, support 25. Somebody can add their own, we'll say, you could, just to show you, you could put 40 and 200 pops up down there, that's 41. But you get it. People can donate because you do a lot of work, you do a lot of research, you're putting it together, you're sharing your in the field experience, you're informing people about new opportunities that are available to work gigs for extra income or full-time income, independent contracting, freelancing jobs, which I will upload more videos. I also started a small business, shopping business. I want to do more about that too, but it is December 2nd and I'm already panicking that if I don't work my tail off the next 3 weeks, I won't be able to take any time off with peace of mind come the holiday season, because I'm not going to work Christmas Eve and Christmas. And I also need to take some time off towards the end of that week for New Year's and visiting family. Got to plan ahead. And all this takes time, but it's fun. I love it. I wish I could sit here and do this all day, but now I'm going to go do my other passion. I love going out and shopping to earn income and do some deliveries, and that's what I plan on doing. So check that out. You can click the link and it'll take you to my profile, and you can see this is inside my account. This is the buttons and graphics, and that's where you get that information from. And I'm going to play around with so much more, but when I have more time come January. But for now, this works. At least I updated it. I added a banner. It looks good. You never know, maybe someone will want to send me a little donation. That would be really cool and amazing. Okay, let's talk about Home-Based Income 101. That's my other YouTube channel. Should have had it open. Welcome. So you can follow me there because I talk about a lot of gig stuff over there. Then I have My Income Job YouTube channel. And over there, you can learn about, right now I'm talking about crypto and stuff like that, investing. I'm going to upload many more videos to this channel too. It's just about having time after the holidays. Let me share something with you. And I'm happy that I scrolled down a little bit because I'm here to share with you that I've been at this for probably 15 years. I remember I was working as a waitress at a place in Wantagh, and that's how long I've been working on this. In the background, and changing and gaining new skills and understanding as the web and all the opportunities on the phone with all the apps to earn income, it just keeps growing, it keeps evolving, more opportunities, more opportunities. After a while, it's become my specialty to do research, find something that I can work it, show how I work it, so I can tell other people how to work it. It's so much fun, but it takes a lot of time to do that research. Put yourself out in the field, do it, complete it, understand how to get paid and all of that. You get it. I've been at this a long time. Why share that with you? Because I was here and I'm like, oh my God, where was that one? 10 years ago. This is a video from 10 years ago on this channel. And I'm still talking the same stuff, but with all the evolving changes, like the new Web3's coming out, I'm already ahead on that. There's so much going on. I wanted to give you an update. MyIncomeJob.com, that's how I'm working it right now. And you can visit it and check out the posts. I share a lot of information. I wanted to show how I'm learning plugins and, more plugins. It takes time to learn. Got the buttons up there, you never know. And I'm also working on another website that I do. My last one, Bleach Blonde Streaks. I colored my hair. I wrote a blog post and I created a blog post just like I showed you for MyIncomeJob.com. Takes a lot of time, but I'm also taking those URLs and I'm manually submitting them into the search engines, and within a month they should get indexed, and I know I'm creating them properly. This isn't, I'm hoping I'm doing it right. I know I'm doing it right, And I know every time I do work like this, it's just making my future financial position stronger because I'm going to earn more daily residual income every day. Now, I've been told that I have money coming to me in December, like $40 here, $60 there from affiliate links that I promoted. I'm really happy about that because it's the right time of year to get those unexpected residuals coming in. It's a lot of little things coming in. It works. I'm telling you, I've been at this for years. It works. So I promise, unless something physically happens to me, come January, I'll be uploading a lot more videos. I'll have time to focus and produce better quality videos and show you how I'm doing everything. Because why share this? Because a very small percentage of people will follow my lead because they're going to realize most people don't want to see hard work. Most people don't want to be told, I have to gain new skills, I have to practice, I have to work for free, study for free, create for free in order to produce those daily residual results. Yeah, you do. Yeah, it takes a lot of work to have everything come together. It's not that easy. There's so much more involved. This was the short version. Okay, I didn't forget about you. Please hang in there. Maybe I'll shock you and upload one video before the end of the year to this channel. But for now, I would think this is it. I'll see you soon. Have a good one. Bye for now. Good luck, everybody. Visit myincomejob.com and stay in the know. Bye for now.